Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Steam for your fly out of the kitchen. Steam for your fly out of the kitchen. Me no want see no hair upon the chicken. Then tall fingernail got take a clipping. Some girl capable boil hot water.
Bless all of my greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And I hope this video finds you all in the best of health. You know, say health over wealth. Right now, today, I'm in the kitchen. I know, I'm man, I love my kitchen. I love cook. Yeah, man, you see me? So, from over here now, I'm going to cook some American porridge. See, so, you know, I'm going to boil some American porridge today. And show you how I'm dealing with it. You see me? Yeah, man, steam for your fly out of the kitchen. Big up Real Askel. My brother, go and check him out. Bad artist, yeah? Real Askel. Yeah, man, so my people, watch out now. Okay, my people, as you can see, we have the American in the pot. You know what I mean? Cooking. So I put it to cook, you know what I mean? Yeah. American, and right now it's almost cooked. When you see it start split up, you know, so it cook, you see me? Yeah. And over here, you know, we have this is all the ingredients I'm gonna use. You know, we have the nutmeg, vanilla, sweet condensed milk, coconut milk, flour, plain flour, forget the body, the thickness, and here's the American. See? American. I'm not for greater the nutmeg. You know what I mean? I may have something secretly for sure, you know. Yeah, man, I'm not showing until when time I finish the American. So, big up on yourself and don't go nowhere, just stay tuned. Alright, my people, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, man, you don't know, see it now. So, the American, as you can see, it a bubble, steam a fly. So, now we're gonna, yeah, man, see the cook. So I'm gonna turn down the stove, make it warm. Bubble look water in it, and not all the way up, but quarter water in it. So first thing I'm gonna do is open the tin milk, coconut milk, and pour into this jar, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna pour about half of it. I know we are ragamuffin bushman, you see me? Town no band, but country lifestyle, cook a bush, you see me? With my grandfather. Rest in peace. So, yeah, about half of it, half coconut, you know what I mean? Half thing of it. Then, I'm gonna pour a little plain flour to give it the body, the thickness. You know, some people use corn flour, but I use plain flour, I see my mother use, you know? I'm a granny. Yes, so once we pour that in, I'm gonna then whisk it out. Some people use blender, but my blender mash up already because my blend so often it burn up. So you don't know. Again, hardcore, you see me? Yeah. Give it that body, you know, whisk it out. So once you mix it out now, I'm gonna pour it in. Look at that. No lumps, nothing, you know? All done by my hand. Get me? Yeah. I'm gonna give it a little stir. You can also pour a little milk in it, you know, fresh milk, semi-skim milk. And look at this, see we have my cinnamon stick in it as well. Yeah, my cinnamon stick is in it as well, yeah? Yeah, so I'm gonna leave it now. Look at that, thick. See, that's the body. So I'm gonna leave it for cook for a little while. So the flour cook out, you get me? Yes, everyone. You don't know, so from I mix up the flour, pour it in. Look at that. Thick. Yeah? Thick as gold. But I thick more than watery. When it's thick, extra thick, you can always dilute it, you know, add water to it. I add some more coconut milk to it. Or fresh milk. See? So this is thick. As you can see, it's really thick, you know? Really thick. So what I'm gonna do now is add a little vinegar in it. You see me? Not vinegar. Here with vinegar. Vanilla. See? Yeah. That one spoil my bad hominy can. So I got a cork full. Cork full. Straight in. Turn the fire down real low. You know what I mean? And then give it a next stir. Salt in it already. And cinnamon. So I'll give it that next stir. Leave it for the flour cook out because you want the flour to cook out, you know? Yeah, leave it about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make the flour cook out, you see me? And then circle back again, you see it? So, big up on yourself, yeah man, hominy can. I don't know if you would like a taste. Send me an address, man, I'll mail it. Yes, my people, so as you can see, the pot is bubbling. Yeah. Very thick. The corn is cooked. The flour is cooked out. So the next thing now is to do is to season it up. And now this way, some people, I see some people, once they put in the flour with the milk, them throw in the nutmeg and cinnamon and sweeten it, make it cook down. But from my youth, I saw me see my mother do it, you know. And she put caramel porridge, banana porridge, anything. All the porridges, them yam porridge. What she did was once it cooked, she threw in the milk, the condensed milk last, throw it in last, and the nutmeg. You know what I mean? As I said, I have something for sure, you know. To see if I can remember it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna turn the stove off. You can see we got the whole nutmeg. Nutmeg, you know? Yeah, whole nutmeg. So what I'm gonna do now is grate it in the pot. Yeah? I like when the nutmeg is nothing in the porridge, you know? Give it that flavor. You can smell it already. Yeah, so nutmeg is in. Now I'm gonna open the condensed milk. And pour it in. And stir while they pour it in and taste. You don't want it too sweet, you know? You don't want it too sweet, so stir it and taste. Look at that, man. Looks so lovely and thick. Wow. Over here now, I'm going to boil down in the car, you know. Big up all of my viewers and subscribers, all of my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Yes man, big up the man that can cook and woman them too, you know, so now I'm gonna taste it. Yeah man, that's sweet enough. That's that. So my people, this is the last thing we want to throw right now. Right now is this. You know what this is? This is the original rose water. It's in a Campari bottle, but I bring it from Jamaica, you know. This can't done for now. All I need is just look at the bottom. All of the vitamins in the bottom, you know. Shake it up so you get, yeah. And then same as I did with the vanilla, just a cork spoon, a cork full, you know. You don't want too much in it. Oh, smell that, man. Smell nice. Look at that. Yellow. Now you stir it out. Give it the next stir, you know. Yes, my people, how many can porridge? Over a year now, I'm gonna make some, you know. Look at that, my people. Nice. Yeah, man, and my people, that's it. You know, that's how I prepare my American porridge. I don't know, every now and then I share my local cooking style, you know. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself and your Z. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get that notification when I put up another one. Yes, my peeps, so I hit that. I'm poor looking at the pattern now because I itch. Straight away I drink some right now, you know. Straight away. Yeah, man. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Make up on yourself, all my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Now that I'm done boil the American porridge. Look at that, man. Thick. You see me? Yeah. I don't know, I can't live without showing you something I make a taste, you know what I mean? Yeah. Consume some of the American porridge right now. Jeez. Hot and nice. Yeah, man, done now. Big up on yourself. A lion foot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. And click the notification bell so you always get that update whenever I post another cooking content. A lion foot. I'm out.
Some girl keep a boil hot water. Don't know if he make porridge for all them daughter. Limousine, she want me for charter. She far from her kitchen, then what a disaster. Hey, watch on, man. Make sure to go and subscribe to Lionfoot TV. You know, man, one of the biggest and the baddest blogger in England right now. Hotter than 10 for your side. You hear that? YGP One Camp, I told them.